What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Marky. Marky is the ultimate AI-powered social media marketing tool that simplifies content creation and scheduling across multiple platforms. With Marky, businesses can effortlessly generate engaging posts, boost their online presence, and drive results. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and key features. AI-powered content generation. Marky's AI-powered content generation simplifies the process of creating engaging social media posts. The system analyzes your business, gaining a deep understanding of your brand, goals, and target audience. Using this customized business profile, Marky generates a feed of on-brand captions and post designs. The AI content process combines carefully chosen stock photos and user-submitted content to create visually appealing posts. Marky's AI model is built on the best-in-class GPT-4 model, delivering unique and engaging content tailored to your business. This feature saves time by automating content creation, ensures brand consistency across posts, generates high-quality, engaging content, and allows for easy review and approval of generated posts. Scheduling across multiple platforms. Marky's scheduling queue allows you to plan and publish your posts at optimal times across multiple social media platforms. With flexible scheduling options, you can post immediately according to your own schedule or multiple times per day. Marky supports posting to a wide range of platforms, including Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Google Business, TikTok, and Pinterest. Currently, 25,000 social accounts are using Marky, with 800,000 posts published and one post every 10 seconds. This feature ensures consistent posting across platforms, saves time by automating the scheduling process, allows for strategic planning of content, and provides peace of mind knowing posts will be published on time. Intuitive Visual Design Editor. Marky offers a wide range of design options to help you create eye-catching, on-brand social media posts. Access a vast collection of high-quality post templates to incorporate into your social media strategy. Easily customize posts to match your brand's aesthetics using the intuitive visual editor. Choose from a wide selection of design elements to make your posts stand out, and select from a range of fonts to ensure your posts are unique and visually appealing. Maintain consistency by using your brand's unique color palettes. This feature saves time by providing pre-designed templates, ensures brand consistency across all posts, allows for easy customization to match your brand style, and helps create visually engaging content that attracts attention. When it comes to pricing, Marky offers 3 pricing plans to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes. The personal plan is $19 per month, billed annually, allows one business, 1 posting per day, 4 connected socials, and 300 generated posts per month. Professional plan comes at $38 per month, billed annually, allows 2+ businesses, unlimited posting per day, 20 connected socials, and 600 generated posts per month. Agency plan is at $164 per month, billed annually, allows 10+ businesses, unlimited posting per day, 200 connected socials, and 3,000 generated posts per month. Additional features like more businesses, post generations, and client reviewers can be added as needed. Marky offers a 30-post free trial and a 7-day refund period after any charge. Users can easily cancel anytime from their account page and upgrade plans at any time with prorated pricing. Marky is the ultimate solution for businesses looking to streamline their social media marketing efforts and achieve better results. With its AI-powered content generation, intuitive scheduling, and customizable design features, Marky simplifies the process of creating and managing engaging social media posts across multiple platforms. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.